here we go. Started in Salida, went up to 91, hit the 24, went up here through Leadville, and then we cut over on to the 91, over to Silverthorne. Then from Silverthorne we went north on the 9, and we ended up staying at this Green River Reservoir. It was really beautiful, and we got some great drone shots here. Well, we're taking off on our great adventure. We stopped over in Colorado for a little bit and did some rafting and some skiing at the end of the season, and did some doctor appointments, adulting, all that fun stuff. And then now we're gonna go to Alaska. So we're continuing on from our Baja to Alaska thing. You guys all ready? I put them up higher so they can see out the door now. So, and then they got a cushy bed now too. So, you ready to go? Yeah, Dad's getting gas, huh? Green River Reservoir. What a place, huh? Beautiful. Well, we left today. We kicked off about 10:30, and we drove to about Clear Creek, had lunch, hung out there for a little bit. Then we drove up, we're almost to Steamboat. I think we drove about 70 miles today, and we're still tired from doing a lot this weekend, so it's beautiful here. Look at that. Gorgeous. So I think we're gonna hang back here, have dinner, and relax, and then we'll head out tomorrow, nice and fresh.
All right, we're on our way to Alaska. We left home and we traveled about 70 or so miles and decided just to stop. I've always kind of liked this reservoir, even though it's super low. And ironically, I can't understand why, but evidently they're keeping storage available for runoff. But anyway, here we are on the road, enjoying a beautiful view.
My poor Jeeper, it's so dirty. They just graded the roads up here, so oh well, that's to be expected. And then we got our new sign. What do you guys think? Cool. I'm sure we'll have some more designs, but the people that have been watching us since the beginning will have every sticker we have. They're in limited quantities. So when we meet you, don't forget, we got stickers, and we will give you one. We had our pork chops and dinner, and then Mark went outside and he saw a leak. So there's a leak in here under the hot water heater. So now he's got to go fix it. Okay.
All right, it's leaking from the supply side, and it looks like somebody put some dope around it. I don't know if it was leaking. It seems like when we bought this camper that it looked like it, or appeared that it had a brand new hot water heater. So maybe it's just loose and needs to be tightened. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
And the cold water is what you think. And I would film, but there's barely room for Mark in there. So I'll let you know the outcome of it. Yep. What's Dad doing? Did you have a good little nap? Yep, there's stuff all over the place, isn't there? Look at all that stuff. Oh, look. He's like, oh, a place to go explore. Yeah, he's always getting in cabinets, aren't you? I remember one time at night, we went to the bathroom and got something out of there and didn't turn the lights on. Next thing we know, we heard a noise and he had crawled in there. Yeah. What is that? Oh. And we got the princess up here, Princess Jasmine, watching up here. Hi, Jasmine. What's going on down here? Yep, he's out there fixing everything, huh? What is that? What is that, Jack? Here? Is it a giant mouse? Go get it. He's not sure what to think. Oh, he's draining the hot water heater. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Glug, 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 glug. So, he said the water heater's from 2016. It has a date on it?
Yep.
So
it is.
Don't mind all the mess. We had to pull everything out to get to this, so. Well, it just probably needs tightened up somewhere, I hope. That's kind of like Loctite.
Well, no, but
It'll seal it up.
they shouldn't. I don't think they should have used brass on this. They should have used plastic because the other one's plastic. Hopefully this will work. Otherwise, we're going to be finding a hardware or a Home Depot.
So he took the plug out, fixed it, now he's putting the plug back in. And it's at an angle, so it's kind of fun instead of straight in. I guess it drains better that way. Okay, let's go inside and see if they'll leak. You want me to turn the water pump on?
Yep.
Okay. Water pump on. How's that?
No, so far.
Okay. It's filling up.
Yeah, it is.
Turn the hot water on, the air out, and then it's gonna fill up the hot water tank now.
No, it's leaking.
One drip.
Let's see.
Maybe it just needs to tighten up again. You like that light? It's kind of nice, huh?
Yeah.
What's that noise? Huh? Can I get your scent put back on? Yeah. Took a little break from Mexico. Now you're on the way to Alaska. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's letting the air out of the hot water heater?
Yep.
Okay. Is it dripping?
I don't see any.
You want me to get you another towel?
Nope.
Cool. Now I gotta put everything back on there. So that didn't work. Is that, you think, because they use the mixed fittings?
I don't know. I was really paranoid to, ouch, try to tighten it too much because this is just like aluminum, and if it gets over tightened.
The one that's going into the hot water heater?
Yes.
Hey, Mark just had to run into town and get some fittings because one was plastic and one was thing, so he's trying to do that. Then come to find out it wasn't what was leaking, it was something up top, so he's trying to fix the top one.
And it broke. It cracked. And that's plastic, it shot, and it's stuck inside the. If I had an extractor, I could probably get it out, but I don't. And there it is.
Hold on. Hold it in the light.
So it broke. There's a whole piece up here that broke off that was stuck in the hot water heater. And it's obviously
Okay,
got
now I can see it.
it's obviously got a one-way valve. But this part is broken off inside the water heater. It had cracked, and that's why it was leaking.
So that was what was leaking all along.
Yep.
So all that bottom stuff was for nothing.
Yep.
And we bought those parts for nothing. Oh well. What are you gonna do?
Well, it was the plastic. It's actually a one-way valve, but it's a plastic piece of pipe, and it was cracked up here on top. So,
And that's why it was leaking only when it was full.
yeah.
And look at, he got a boo-boo on his nose.
I hate to say it, maybe that basket did fall down on this and broke it.
So we're gonna get some internet.
Yeah, figure out if we can buy this part. 'Cause this is all I need, a
Okay.
new one. And if I could get another brass one, then I'd be happy.
Then it'd be golden.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if that other piece is in there.
No. I mean, I have to do a plastic one, I will, but I'm going to have to take that other piece out, figure out how to get it out. Arg.
So that should be an easy fix. If not,
Yeah. Worst case, have to put a new hot water heater in.
or get a tankless one.
Or get a tankless one.
All right.
But a tankless one's only good when you have endless amounts of water.
Oh, that's true. Okay, well, until tomorrow. I thought this was going to be a short film in this spot, but it ended up being the life of full-time RVing. This is how it is. You just got to roll with it. So
Yep.
at least we stopped early and we found the leak early, so that's good news. And you bumped your nose, honey.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
Okay.
Alright.